Mehak. I am a student of Lakme Academy and I have done advanced course in makeup, and she is my model Anmol, and I have created a contemporary look on her. My experience in Lakme Academy Noida has been wonderful, and I learned different kind of makeup. Faculty here is really helpful, and they are very supportive as well. Thank you, Lakme Academy Noida.
Hi, myself Neha Gupta. I have done advanced makeup course from Noida, Lakme Academy, and she is my model, 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐿. I have created a contemporary Muslim look. My experience is very good and the environment is so positive. The faculties are so supportive. After passing out from here, I will looking forward for a bright future. Thank you, Lakme Academy, Noida.
My name is Tanupriya Bharadwaj and my model name is Mansi. I have done glamorous makeup on her. I have learned many kinds of makeups from Lakme Academy. All faculties are very supportive and they clear our doubts also, and really my journey is very fabulous. Thank you so much, Lakme Academy Noida.
Hi, my name is Poonam and I'm part of Lakme Academy Noida, and she is my model. Her name is Deepti, and today I have done traditional bridal. And being a Lakme part, I'm so happy. And faculty is very supportive. Thank you, Lakme Academy Noida.
हाय, मेरा नाम दिनेश है और ये मेरी मॉडल ट्विंकल है। मैंने यहाँ पे एडवांस मेकअप का कोर्स किया हुआ है और आज मैंने ब्राइडल लुक किया हुआ है। और यहाँ की फैकल्टी काफ़ी सपोर्टिव है, काफ़ी सभी लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं। Thank you, Lakme Academy Noida, for great future.
Hi, my name is Yashitanan and she is my model, Meenakshi. I have learned advanced makeup from Lakme Academy Noida, Sector 18. Thank you, Lakme Academy, for teaching me beautiful makeups.